Welcome to my channel Business and Investment Hub. Today's video is about top 5 best web hosting 2021, best web hosting for beginners 2021. So let's just start now. The best web hosting provider in 2021 must be secure, reliable, has customer support, and obviously it has to be fast. So we have curated top list 5 best web hosting providers 2021. So now let's jump in. The first in our list is BLUEHOST. BLUEHOST is best for beginners. Why? Because BLUEHOST has a great support. Number one, it provides free domain and SSL certificate, and it's recommended by WordPress. It has a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So BLUEHOST is one of the most popular and best choices for web hosting. You will have a site which is up 24/7, which is required if you want to start a new business. So BLUEHOST, in our opinion, is the best choice. The second in our list is HOSTINGOR. Okay, HOSTINGOR is best cheap hosting plans. It's famous for best cheap hosting plans. So the second in our list is HOSTINGOR. They have normally 7.99 per month charges, and these are month to month. They have provided you free domain with SSL certificate and also a 30-day money back guarantee. They have some promotions running on so that you can start it with less than $0.99 per month. You can start get a great web hosting from HOSTINGOR. Although if their plans get expired, the promotion, then you will have to get it on 2.89 or something like that. Basically their charges are 7.99 per month, and in this promotion they are giving you it with just 0.99. so it's a great choice, and I can say that don't expect them to be quite as good as other hosts, but the value per dollar is unbeatable. They have 99.99% uptime and 24/7 support, and they are very great. The third in our list is HostGator, best for lean and minimal needs. HostGator is another web host that caters to small businesses. Their normal charges is 6.95 per month, and by month to month paying you will get it by 10.95. They provide you a free domain and SSL certificate, and the best part is they have 45-day money back guarantee. We found that they are the best for any business that's looking for simple websites. So if you don't have a lot of bells and whistles you need from a web hosting provider, HostGator is a top option. HostGator offers an extensive list of how to guide for technical support. If you do not find the answer you need, you can turn to phone, live chat, and email support. So HostGator is also best, and they provide VPS hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated server. So the fourth one, is A2 hosting. It's fast, reliable, and shared hosting. Their normal charges is 7.99 per month, and they also provide free domain and SSL certificate. They have a 30-day money back guarantee. A2 hosting stands out for their great speeds and low prices. Every hosting package comes with free site migration too, and they have a 99.99% uptime. The A2 hosting will save you dozens of hours trying to get your site rebuilt. The A2 hosting team takes care of it for you. If you have a website on another platform, you can migrate it easily. Like many of other web hosts, there are one-click install for all popular CMS tools like WordPress, Magneto, and Drupal. Okay, the fourth one in our list is VP Engine, best managed WordPress hosting. Their normal charges are a bit high. It's around 30 per month, and you will have to pay month per month, and they provide free domain and SSL certificate, and also 30-day money back guarantee. You can get it 4 months free or 20% off. VP Engine is one of the best known managed WordPress hosts out there, and for very good reason. They provide a truly excellent product. A fully managed WordPress host is noticeably more expensive than shared hosting providers, but the best part is you will have quite high speeds, so that if a visitor clicks on your link, it will be directly moved to your website. VP Engine lowest price plan is 30 per month, and that's only for 10 GB site with maximum 25,000 visitors per month. But when you factor in what VP Engine does for that price, it's an incredibly appealing option for WordPress site owners. because their speed is high, and you can have your visitors will be very happy. So just be mindful for the price what you are paying, but the best thing is it's fast. Now the last one in our list is SiteGround. They have the best customer support. Their normal price is $14.99 per month, and you will get a free SSL email backups, and it's also recommended by WordPress. SiteGround is a 30-day money back guarantee. SiteGround come with two things a lot of web hosts don't: rabid fan base and glowing reviews. So they have a very good fan base, you can say, and their reputation is quite high. They are the best in the list of BLUEHOST, HOSTINGOR, and this SiteGround. In fact, you can say SiteGround is also great because it provides you a high speed with $14.99 per month. So that's why we included it in the list. Other things about is that its lowest tier of shared hosting jumps from $6.99 per month to $14.99, and its higher tier jumps from $14.99 to $39.99. That doesn't feel great. In fact, it was the reason for most the 1-star reviews on Trustpilot. Okay, that's the reason, because you can get it with $6.99 per month, but it will be a shared hosting, so it will not be that great. So now that's our list of top 5 best web hosting 2021. So now it's your choice which one you choose. Choose the one which has a high speed. Don't look for price if you have budget, but if you do not have budget, you have low budget, then choose the one with low pricing and high reliability, because a website is a thing which is your you can say 24/7 salesman, and it's present online. So you need to have a website which has a high speed, okay, and also its support is good, so that once you get stuck in some details in the gut and problems with your website, so with a great support team you can come out quickly from that thing. And if they have a bad support, then it will be quite daunting for a new beginner. Okay, so choose the one with a best support. We have shared in this video the 5 best web hosting 2021, and it's the best for beginners because all of these have great supports and have a good price, except the one which has $30 per month VP Engine. All of the rest has pricing less than $15 or $7, so it's really payable. Now that's the end of today's video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends. We will see you in the next video, so enjoy yourself.